Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make orange cream popsicles. So let's get started. So for the oranges, you can use any kinds you like. I'm using Valencia oranges. They're one of the best kinds for juicing, but again, you can use any kind you like. So to help them release as much juice as possible, press and roll them on the countertop. Then cut them in half. And then juice them. And pour it through a sieve to get rid of the seeds and pulp, and also measure it out. And pour the juice into a small bowl. And add in the yogurt. You can use plain or vanilla. If you're using vanilla yogurt, then leave out the next two ingredients. And add in the cane sugar or regular sugar is fine. You can even use a different type of sweetener. And the vanilla extract. And whisk it really well together until all the sugar has dissolved. Then just pour the mixture into a popsicle mold. Try not to fill them all the way to the top because they'll expand slightly when it freezes. And if you don't have a popsicle mold, you can just use small paper cups. And to do that, pour the mixture into small paper cups and freeze them for 45 minutes. Then add the popsicle stick into the center, and the popsicles would have frozen enough that the stick will stay upright. And then you just need to freeze them for another 3 or 4 hours until they're solid. But if you're using a popsicle mold, then place the lid on top and insert a popsicle stick into each one. And just freeze them for at least 4 hours until they're frozen solid. And once they're frozen, remove them from the freezer and remove the lid. Then to get them out of the mold, place them into a bowl filled with hot water and leave them in for a few seconds. And then carefully remove each popsicle. And that's how to make orange cream popsicles. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.